A server administrator, also known as system administrator, is an IT professional that is responsible for managing, maintaining, and troubleshooting servers so as to ensure that they function optimally and securely. They handle tasks like 1. Setting up new servers, configuring operating systems and applications, and managing user accounts and permissions. 2. Monitoring server performance, identifying and resolving issues, and ensuring optimal uptime and availability. 3. They implement and manage backups and recovery procedures so that they can protect data and ensure business continuity. 4. They implement and maintain security measures so that they can protect servers from unauthorized access and cyber threats. 5. They maintain and troubleshoot hardware and software, they upgrade systems, and they install patches. And 6. They diagnose and resolve server issues, they provide technical support to users, and they document solutions. Here are a few skills that are required from you as a server administrator. 1. It is expected that you must have a strong knowledge of server operating systems like Windows, Linux, and so on. 2. To be a successful server administrator, you must have experience with networking, virtualization, and cloud technologies. 3. You must be familiar with various server applications and databases. 4. You must have excellent troubleshooting and problem-solving skills. That is the purpose of this training series. This series of training video will help you to handle tasks like setting up servers, monitoring, backups, and updates, as well as addressing hardware and software issues in Windows Server 2025. The target audience for server administration typically include IT professionals, network administrators, system engineers, help desk technicians, and hardware technicians. These individuals are responsible for maintaining and managing the hardware and software that runs on servers. The IT professionals encompass individuals that is involved in various aspects of technology within an organization. Network administrators are responsible for design, implementation, and maintenance of network infrastructure, which often includes servers. System engineers, they focus on design, implementation, and optimization of complex systems, including server infrastructures. The primary focus of help desk technician is end user support. They may also handle server related issues. Hardware professionals specialize in the maintenance and repair of server hardware. This audience is important for three main reasons. 1. Server administration is a fundamental aspect of IT infrastructure management, thereby making it a relevant skill for a wide range of IT roles. 2. Organizations rely on servers to run their critical applications and services, thereby creating a constant demand for skilled server administrators. And 3. As IT infrastructures become more complex, the need for specialized knowledge and skills in server administration continue to grow. There is going to be a series of practical and demonstrations in this training, not just demonstrations, but real life demonstration. The demonstrations will be step by step, and that will make it easier for you to follow. However, for you to be able to flow very well, please make sure you have the following software. 1. Windows Server 2025 ISO. 2. Windows 11 ISO. This training will be performed in a virtualization way. Therefore, you must have a system that will serve as host. Your system must meet the following requirements. 1. Windows 10 or 11. 2. 16 GB of RAM. 3. Core i5 or i7. 4. SSD hard disk. The demand for server administrators is expected to grow in the coming years, driven by the increasing reliance on technology and the cloud. Server administrators earn huge income, but it varies depending on experience, location, and the specific type of server systems that they manage. Therefore, tighten your seatbelts and ride with me as we explore the world of server administrations together. Thank you for watching. If you like what you saw, consider subscribing to this channel. Please let me know what you think in the comment section, and do not forget to leave a like and share this video. See you in the next one.